Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Ledger Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at Fetch.ai. We're currently pumping to higher prices in the relief rally we're seeing the altcoin market. But for long-term investors, when is the best time to buy more Fetch.ai? As we're seeing Fetch.ai pump to higher prices in the few weeks of 2022 that we've seen Fetch.ai pump, we've seen it rally up more than 300%. Will Fetch.ai continue pumping to new all-time highs? As long-term investors, should we start FOMOing into Fetch.ai right now, or should we wait for that eventual dump to the downside? If we start dumping, where are we going to start seeing support for Fetch.ai, and how low can we go when that dump comes? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Fetch.ai US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll be looking at key levels where Fetch.ai might dump to. That will be good levels for us to accumulate, getting ready for the next bull run. We'll also be looking at Fetch.ai's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll also be looking at Fetch.ai's market cap, which is currently pumping to higher prices. We've seen the market cap go from as low as $39 million in November 2022, rallying up to as high as $174 million, where we're going to get rejected as we continue pumping to higher prices. And if we start dumping to Goblin Town, can we see Fetch.ai's market cap even set new lows in the bear market, or is the bottom already in? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Fetch.ai has been pumping to higher prices in 2023. For long-term investors, that's good music to our ears. We've seen Fetch.ai dumping to Goblin Town for majority of 2022. Fetch.ai is still down 56.7% in the last 1 year. But guys, the altcoin market saw a huge dump in 2022. That was expected after the huge bull run we had in 2020 and in 2021. While still 2023 on a very bright note, Fetch.ai has gone up 136% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 week, we've seen it go up 101%. Are we going to continue pumping to higher prices, maybe even new all-time highs before the end of 2023? Right now, AI season is happening. AI coins have been pumping to the moon. The whole narrative in the market is that AI coins will lead the next bull run. We saw it happen in 2021 with the metaverse coins. We saw it also happen in 2021 with meme coins. So will AI coins continue pumping to higher prices? And will long-term investors that have been buying Fetch.ai through the bear market, will they get an opportunity to buy, or are we going to continue pumping to higher prices? Now, key levels you want to pay attention to as Fetch.ai is pumping to higher prices is the $0.054 level. This is where we saw Fetch.ai bottoming in the bear market. In the previous videos I released, I told you guys I was getting some Fetch.ai down in Goblin Town because that's where smart investors are going to be buying, getting ready for the next bull run. Even though I've seen Fetch.ai pump on a monthly time frame, on a weekly time frame, I'm not still get carried away. I'm still remembering we're deep in the bear market. And guys, in the bear market, we can still see some pumps to the upside. In the bear market, the fact that we're seeing Fetch.ai rallying up more than 282% in the last 50 days doesn't mean the bear market is over. Right now, Fetch.ai is at the critical resistance level. Maybe, just maybe, we're going to blast above it. But you want to remember that anytime we see any altcoins pumping really fast to the upside, there's always going to be that dump back to the downside. Now, we might not see Fetch.ai setting new lows. Those people that bought some Fetch.ai at the $0.05 level might be the luckiest investors in this market cycle. But I always tell you guys, don't go all in when you're buying altcoins. There's always that possibility we'll see Fetch.ai turn on itself and start coming back to Goblin Town. For long-term investors, we know that the market goes in different cycles. Right now, we're going through the reaccumulation period for Fetch.ai. We have seen Fetch.ai go through the previous bear market where it continued dumping to Goblin Town till every other altcoin in the market bottomed in March 2020. And before Fetch.ai finally bottomed, it was already down 97.96%. Now, why we're holding altcoins for the long term is that even though they can be dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market, when the bull market comes around, they can recover all those losses, even going to set new all-time highs. In the case of Fetch.ai, we saw it in the previous bull run rally up more than 13,000%. And $1,000 invested in Fetch.ai at the bottom of the market would have returned more than $132,000. So it pays to hold all coins on the long term, but as we're pumping to higher prices, we're going to see some pumps along the way. We're going to see some dumps along the way that will try to distract you from your main goal, which is holding Fetch.ai till we set new all-time highs. Right now, Fetch.ai is pumping. Yes, you might want to FOMO in, buying and saying, you know what, I'm going to YOLO in, we only live once. In case Fetch.ai is going to turn to the next Shiba Inu, the next Dogecoin, I want to be among those people buying it. But remember, we're not going to continue pumping in a straight line. There's a very strong chance at some point in time we'll see Fetch.ai either get rejected where we're currently trading right now. If we continue rallying up to higher prices, we might see Fetch.ai get rejected at the $0.43 level. But guys, when Fetch.ai turns on itself and start dumping to Goblin Town, where should we buy more Fetch.ai? If we start dumping to Goblin Town, the first line of support is going to be around the $0.1 level. If we see Fetch.ai finding support there, maybe just maybe the bottom is in, maybe just maybe we'll catch a bounce off that level and continue pumping to higher prices. But if Fetch.ai doesn't hold this $0.1 level and we see it coming back to test the $0.054 level, there's always a possibility that the bottom is not in for Fetch.ai and we're going to get this one final dump to the downside. Just like we saw in the previous bear market where before Fetch.ai bottomed, we got one final dump to the downside by 84%. If that situation is going to happen right now in this bear market and Fetch.ai is going to drop 84% from where we're even currently trading, Fetch.ai will set new lows in this bear market, even dropping to the $0.035 level. But for long-term investors, that will be music to our ears. We know that when the market is dumping, when the market is in extreme fear, that will be the best time to buy. And right now, as the market is pumping higher prices, when the market is all green and dandy, all the coins we bought when the market was down in Goblin Town are already in profit. So if you have been accumulating some Fetch.ai since June 2022, just dollar cost averaging through the whole process, right now, all those Fetch.ai buys will be in profit. The lowest one will be in a profit of more than 110%. This is why you want to be buying all coins when they are down in Goblin Town. As long-term investors, by the end of the next bull run, if you can hold through the chaos, we might even see Fetch.ai pumping above the $4 region, getting to as high as $4.8. That will mean from the bottom right here, Fetch.ai in total will rally up more than 9,000% before the end of the next bull run. So let's not get carried away with the pumps we're seeing on the daily time frame and on the weekly time frame. The journey is still far. If we take a look at some details about Fetch.ai, we might be seeing more coins come into circulation because Fetch.ai has a maximum supply of 3.4 billion coins and we have only 818 million of those coins in circulation. Fetch.ai's market cap is around $177 million, but the fully diluted market cap is around $738 million. And the last 1 year, we have seen Fetch.ai go from as high as $0.54 to as low as $0.053. Fetch.ai is currently ranked 136 on CoinMarketCap with over 128,000 people having Fetch.ai on their watch list. Where can you get some Fetch.ai coins if you want to get some in the bear market as you're getting ready for the next bull run? If you believe we're going to see Fetch.ai pumping to new all-time highs, even getting to as high as $4, pumping over 9,000% by the end of the next bull run, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on KuCoin, on Bitstamp, on Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Fetch.ai right there. Also take a look at Fetch.ai's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We have been seeing Fetch.ai rally really hard starting 2023 on a bright note. But guys, we should also not get carried away. We're deep in the bear market. Even though we're going to be happy seeing Fetch.ai outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market, history has shown us that over time, all coins tend to lose value against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. And we've seen Fetch.ai set new all-time lows against Ethereum in the bear market, even though we've seen it rally up from the bottom by more than 100%. Guys, there's always a possibility that we'll continue dumping to Goblin Town when this rally is over. Fetch.ai's RSI is at the high end. The last time we saw the RSI this high was in March 2021 at the end of the bull run. And after that, we saw Fetch.ai start dumping to Goblin Town. So will this time be different? For long-term investors, if you want to start flipping your Bitcoin or some Ethereum for some Fetch.ai, you don't want to do that right now when the market is pumping. You want to wait when we're dumping to Goblin Town so that you can get good value for your money. If you take a look at Fetch.ai's market cap, we talked about the line in the sand in the previous video, the $143 million region. We have seen Fetch.ai blast through that level. The next level we're waiting to for Fetch.ai to get to see whether we get rejected might be around that $312 million region. From where Fetch.ai is currently trading right now, we'll have to see it rally up around that 80% to get there. But long-term investors know that even though we're seeing it pump to higher prices, there's always a chance we might see Fetch.ai's market cap come back to the $50 million region. There's even always a possibility we'll see it coming back to take out the lows we set in November 2022 and even setting new all-time lows. So right now, even though we're pumping, long-term investors are waiting for the opportunity in the bear market where we see the market dumping to goblin town, and that will be the best time for us to buy. But guys, when you're buying, remember to never go all in. Remember to dollar cost average through the process so that you can get a fair price as you're getting ready for the next bull run. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Fetch.ai getting to by the end of the next bull run? Do you think we'll continue pumping straight to the moon right now, or do we have further downsides to go? Are you buying more right now, or are you waiting for that one final dump to the downside? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.